Hi, kindergarten. We are going to continue on with our learning of long vowels this week. So as a reminder, there are 5 vowels, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So far, we have focused on the letter A, which we know makes the A sound and can also say its name, A. We've also talked about the letter I, which we know makes the I sound and also says its name I. And then last week we talked about letter O, which we know makes the ah sound and also says its name O. And then this week we are going to be focusing on the vowel U. So let's review. When we were first introduced to the letter U, we learned that letter U makes the sound that we hear in the word k, p, cup, and sun. But as we've learned, vowels can be long vowels too. That means that they say their name. So for example, when we see the word unicorn, we hear the U sound at the beginning of unicorn. So that means there's a long U sound at the beginning of unicorn. The words that we have been studying have a silent E at the end. We have learned that silent E comes at the end of the word and doesn't make a sound. That's why we call it silent E or sneaky E. It likes to sneak in at the end of words. Silent E or sneaky E tells the vowel to say its name. So in this case, silent E is telling U to say its name. Now, long U is a tricky vowel because sometimes when we have a sneaky E at the end, the sneaky E tells you to say ooh in words. So when we're looking at words today that have the U sound, we will also be looking for words that make the ooh sound, and I'm going to help you through that because there's going to be both on our examples. Okay, so let's practice reading words with the long U silent E. We'll do some together and then I'll have you try some on your own. Okay, here's our first word. So in this word, the silent E is telling you to say its name. So let's try it. I'll go first and then you can do it with me. M-U-O. Okay, try it with me. M-U-O. When we blend the sounds together, M-U-O, we get the word mule. Great job. Let's try another word. Now this time, silent E is telling the U to say ooh. Okay, listen. Ta-oo-na. Try it with me. Ta-oo-na. When we blend the sounds together, ta-oo-na, we get the word tune. So it's like a music tune. Okay, let's try one more together. So in this word, silent E is telling you to say its name again. Let's try it. Ka-you-ba. Say it with me. Ka-you-ba. When I blend the sounds ka-you-ba, I get the word cube. Great job. Now the next couple words I want you to try on your own. So in this word, I want you to, when you have your silent E, it's telling you to say ooh. So when you sound it out, say ooh. Okay, let's check. So the sounds are da, oo, na. When I blend it together, I get the word dune. So this is showing a picture of a sand dune. Let's try another one. Okay, so silent E is telling you to say ooh in this word, just like the one we just did. So it's saying ooh. Okay, let's check it. So the sounds are t, oo, b. When we blend the sounds together, we get the word tube. Great job. Let's try one more. So in this word, silent E is telling you to say its name. So when you sound it out, make sure you say you. Okay, let's check. So the sounds are f, fume. When I blend the sounds together, I get the word fume. Great job today sounding out your long U silent E words. Make sure you check your Seesaw this week for more activities with long U and silent E.